Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss reasons why you cannot manifest or why your manifestations are delayed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So, hi everyone, this is Tarot Reader Mirel here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about why you cannot manifest. The basic principle of manifestation, one of the most important, is about that you must be already knowing, and we all know that living in the present moment is where the creation or the manifestation actually happens. It's in the present moment. Many times we go to tarot card readers and healers and astrologers and ask them what's in store for us for our future, right? But do you actually know that the present moment, whatever you choose to do in the present moment, creates your future? Your mind, your subconscious mind, records everything that is happening in the present moment. It starts creating and manifesting each and every thought that they are thinking right now in the present moment, because the trick of the subconscious mind is it doesn't recognize the past or the future. It thinks that everything in your life is happening right now in the present moment. So the point of power is in the present moment. If you want to create, it is in the present moment. We waste our time simply thinking about, imagining things that could go wrong in our future, and we play it in our head when actually none of it has happened yet. So do you see, you're actually destroying your present moment each and every time you create a scenario in your head, or you imagine something worst happening to your loved ones or to yourself in the future. So the thing is, your subconscious mind doesn't know that you're imagining it. It thinks it is real, it's your reality, and it starts manifesting and creating it. So you're destroying your present moment. You're in a trap every time you go into the future and start imagining the worst happening to you. So you need to stop that. That's a first block towards manifestation. The second, which all of us are guilty about, is living in the past. So our mind is either living in the future or it's living in the past. So the past pulls us back. The past is over, my dear friends. The past is over. It has no power over us. And again, every time you replay the past in your head, the subconscious mind again gets tricked into believing that this is what is happening in the present moment. So again, you are stealing the power of the present moment. We all have made mistakes in the past, haven't we? We all are guilty about something, or we have regrets about the past. But remember one thing: the past is over and you can never go back to it, ever. So by replaying the past scenarios again and again in your head, you are confusing your subconscious mind. You are stealing away the present moment. The present moment is where manifestation happens, where creation happens. Okay? So past doesn't matter when you're manifesting, neither does the future matter. None of it matters when manifesting. Only thing that matters is the present moment, right now. Where is your mind right now? That's where you start creating. From today, remember, the most powerful moment of your life is the present moment, not the past, not the future. So, what you're thinking, feeling, and taking action right now is what is going to happen in the future. What you're doing right now is what will show up in your future. So, remember, you are the creator because you are creating the future with the present moment. I hope this video helped you. Do put a like and comment below if you have any thoughts or you want to share anything. Till we meet again, take care. This is Tarot Reader Mirel saying bye and Happy manifesting.